pass their life in memory of such stories and such leelas. Vaktara tad vachanena ananya prayojanena tushyanti. It is said that in this way, those who are totally satisfied with the statements, with the stories related to Bhagavan Sriman Narayan, not about any other thing, only one and only one Bhagavan Sriman Narayan, they are said to be spokesperson. Shrotarascha tat shravanena anavadikatishaya priyena ramante. And who are the Shrotagan? The Shrotagan means the listeners. What they do? That they are able to feel the eternal, endless qualities. They love to listen that thing, and thus they ramante means they feel eternal pleasure, they experience eternal pleasure. Now we shall talk about who did these things. Matchittaha, if you talk about, then who had focused their life? The first life of Naradji, as said in Bhagavatam, he had focused his life when he was the son of a Dasi, means Dasi Putra. Then he focused his concentration on Bhagavan. Sharabhanga Muni, he focused on Bhagavan. They are said to be Matchittaha. Madgata Pranaha. Then if we talk about Madgata Pranaha, then we have the story related to that of the Shabari Mata, that she waited for the arrival of Bhagavan Shri Ram, and when he came, she felt totally satisfied and then left this world. Madgata Prana, there is a name of Chintayanti Gopi. When she failed to come into the Ras Mandal because the doors were locked by her husband and her father-in-law and all this, then she left this total body and with the Atma only, with the Jivatma only, she entered into the Ras Mandala. So this is the Chintayanti. You can say that Chintayanti Gopi, she lived the life of Madgata Pranaha. Or you can say there is an example of Godamba. Now the Dhanurmas is going on. Godamba was Madgata Pranaha. She performed great tapasya of 1 month, which is named as Dhanurmas, and the condition was that she became very thin. At that moment, she can also be taken as an example of Madgata Pranaha. Now, Parasparam Bodhayanta, if you talk about Parasparam Bodhayanta, then for this thing we can go to the Uddhav and Gopi Charitra. When Uddhavji went into Brajamandal, he found that the gopis are collected in the Goshti and they are talking about the words of sympathy to each gopi, is talking to another. And you can say, and in this way, they are talking about how to understand Krishna, or in this way, this is happening. Or Parasparam Bodhayanta, we can talk about the discussion in between Vibhishan and Hanumant Lalji Maharaj. Hanumanji discussed about the importance of Bhagavan Sri Ram, and Vibhishan also discussed about his condition and his affection towards Bhagavan Sri Ram. So that is called Parasparam Bodhayanta. In the example of Parasparam Bodhayanta, the discussion between Vibhishan and Sri Hanumant Lalji Maharaj can also be taken. Now, Madhyani, Divyani, Ramaniyani, Karmani cha Kathayanta, Tushyanti cha Ramanti cha. In this way, for storytelling, there can be a lot of story. Like that, if we go to the Ramcharitamānasa, the discussion between Bharadwaj and Yagyavalkya Muni, the discussion between Kak Bhushundi and other, these all are Kathayanta, Tushyanti cha Ramanti cha. Agastya Muni and Umapati Mahadev, these all are Kathayanta, Tushyanti cha Ramanti cha. Shankarji Parvati. There are lots of examples who have discussed the stories of Bhagavan and in this way get satisfied. And Shukdev ji, Parikshit ji, and all these things, Vidur, Maitreya, Samvad, these all are different examples. Wherever there is a storytelling, they can also be taken as the example of Kathayanta, Tushyanti cha Ramanti cha. in this way, etc. Means other is similar to that. So in this way we had